For a man to conquer himself is the first and noblest of all the victories. No one can motivate you but yourself. My name is Mohammad Shams Alam Sheikh. I am an international para swimmer. I hail from Rathos village of Madhubani district, Bihar. I shifted in Mumbai early in 90s for educational purpose, and now I am staying in Dharavi. My grandfather, he was a wrestler, and because of that, sports or martial arts came into me. So I started learning karate in Shitoryu style, and I got black belt in 2008. In 2010, during the National Championship of Karate, I was the silver medalist, and I was one of the strongest candidates to represent my country in Asian Games in China. Unfortunately, I got spinal tumor which was causing the compression, and because of this, I was not able to walk properly, and due to that, I became wheelchair user, so I was not able to participate in karate. When I got to know about the paraplegic, I started researching on Google about it, and then I come to know that there is no cure for this especially. Then I stopped totally medication and started doing fitness, swimming, which helped me to improve my abilities in my disabilities. God always, once He closed one door, He opened always 10 doors for you. In 2010, I lost the opportunity to represent my country, but exactly after 8 years, in 2018, not in Asian Games, but exactly called Asian Para Games, I represented my country not in karate, but in swimming. I always wanted to make awareness on the accessibility. In 2014, I attempted a 6-kilometer open sea swimming, and I completed it in 1 hour, 40 minutes and 28 seconds. It got officially recognized in Limca Book of Record also. During the Beach Fest festival, I swam 5 kilometers against the tide and 3 kilometers parallel to tide in 4 hours and 4 minutes. Which became the world record for the longest open sea swimming by a paraplegic person. For a man to conquer himself is the first and noblest of all the victories. I believe no one can motivate you but yourself. That dream to represent my country in Olympics always, every single day motivate me to get out of my bed and go for fitness and go for swimming.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.